Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This scrunchie looks like the one we used to use in the 80s and 90s. It is poofy and really textured. I absolutely love it, and it's super easy to crochet. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet this scrunchie, I'm using Lion Brand Yarns Vanna's Choice using the color Granberry. I'm also using a G+ or 4.5mm hook and an elastic. Any elastic will do, ideally a brand new one so it's not stretched out yet. Chain 14. Once you're 14, you will take your elastic and put your yarn through it. Now you will slip stitch to the first chain that you made. Make sure that your chain is not twisted. Make a slip stitch through the first chain that you made, so that way it's a loop. Now you're going to simply crochet one single crochet per chain. So you will have 13 single crochets in the end. Once you finished your circle, you're going to crochet in continuous rounds, crocheting one single crochet per stitch, but going into the back loop only. That provides some extra texture. You can totally go through both loops if you like, but to provide a little extra texture, I'm going simply through the back loop only. You're going to continue that until you have a really good scrunchie. Mine looks like this after I did a good amount of rounds. So you want it to be really scrunched up so it looks like a scrunchie. So you can totally go further if you like. I'm going to stop at this point right here. I'm going to make a knot. And now I'm going to sew these two rounds together. So the first and the last round. So find a spot where you can hold them both together and simply go back and forth. You can go through both loops, through one loop, however you like. It should be roughly even. You can totally do the mattress stitch at this point. So the mattress stitch, you would go through your stitches like this. I know it's a little hard to see with the red, but you're going from one stitch to another, and then you go back and forth between the two rounds, and that makes like the rows a little seamless together. So do this an entire round all the way around. And once you're done, your scrunchie looks like this. So it really does look like a traditional scrunchie. It has this puffiness to it. You could make it more puffy by using more chains in a round than 14, but you can also make sure that you have more rounds than this, and it's going to really crunch it up, and you're ready to go to use your scrunchie. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number one is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number two is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number three is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number four is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos, and the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out, and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.